Hey Amanda, what are you doing?
I am trying to take these screws out of the basket.
Yeah?
For the Mooncool.
Why?
So that I can take the canopy off the Lectric and stick it on the Mooncool. Cause why not?
Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So Amanda and I are out here. We are going to attempt to take the canopy off the Lectric XP, and we're going to apply it to the Mooncool TK1 folding, okay? Because basically, if you saw the comparison video of these two trikes right here, they're the same frame almost. I mean, the same size. They're not the same frame. In fact, there's quite a few things that are different about it, but there's a lot of things that are very similar as well. And the size is very similar, and I think this frame is going to fit over here, and if so, it's going to be good news for a lot of Mooncool people because they can grab this great little canopy. If you saw those videos, it's different, yeah, but you may have a situation where you would like to have a canopy like this on your Mooncool. So that's what we're doing. We're going to see if it works. So if we take the bag off, she's got the, look here, she's got the handle wrapped around right here. Mom and her wonderful organization skills. Okay guys, we got the basket off over here, we got the basket off over here. We've got just one screw holding everything together. Now we've got to take it off back here. So we're going to take these two screws out, these two screws out, and we're going to walk this whole canopy over there to the other bike. It's rolling away, Amanda. Grab it. Oh, she grabbed it. So let's get this done. So get this one on the back side. Okay. Now hold on to the canopy because it's getting ready to go flying. I got one more screw. Actually, no. Either hold this one straight or take that screw off up there. What do you want to do?
Which one was it? Not that one.
You're going to need that. Hold on to that too. Stand right where you're at and just turn. Oh, I got a bike in the way. Now, whoa. We really need to set this end down so I can come help you. I'm going to set it down. We're going to have to figure something out so I can come help you. Now it's twisted.
Yeah, that's not going to work.
It's twisted too much. So let me see if I can set this down inside the basket. Temporarily. Will that help?
Well, I'm trying to get the right angle.
Got it.
What a pain.
Okay, just hold on to that. Don't go too far with that. Just hold on to it. Hold on, you got the whole thing right now. Let me grab a barrel bolt, nuts, screws, washers. Any way we can walk that direction so I have a little more room over here? Okay, just hang tight right there. Oh, you know what? I don't know if the other trike had a reflector right here. So now we got to remove this reflector. All right. This has to work. This has to work. It's the same basket. There's no reason why it wouldn't work. Now it's going in. Because it was something was twisted somewhere. We had some twisted sister nonsense going on. All right, Mandy, you hold this. And I'm going to take the screw out. This whole thing's going to flop.
Okay.
We got to try to hold the basket up against this plate, the plate up against here, so I can get the screw started again.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a lot of
Hold on, Amanda. Why do we have 5 screws? These are not the ones that came out of there, is it? Because that's different. These are the ones that were just in this basket.
Oh, this one, yeah, because those are for this bike. This is from that one.
Okay. But that doesn't seem right because
We didn't use any of the screw.
No, we didn't. Okay, but what we did do,
Borrowed a screw from the Lectric.
right, and we have to use, yes, because they're longer. Yes, because they're longer, and they need to be longer to go through all this nonsense. That's why. All right, I'm back on track. All right, guys, as suspected, the Lectric Canopy does fit the Mooncool TK1 folding trike with no problems. We took it off the Lectric XP, say hello, girls, and we assembled it over here. A little difficult to do, yeah, canopy's not real easy, so it actually took 3 of us to kind of balance it, hold it, because it's jiggling all over the place like this, get it lined up so we could get the screws started. But the point is, it fits, and it fits nicely. So, yeah, we're going to take this thing down the road. There goes Amanda. Amanda's going to give it a quick little test ride, make sure nothing falls off.
Mary Poppins is back.
Oh, Mary Poppins is back. Here we go. Yep, big truck coming. All right. You know, I think that looks a little bit better on that white TK1 than the Lectric.
It does.
It does.
It does. I like it.
We're not going to go in circls again like we did the other video, are we?
No, we're not. There's a car coming.
Yeah, there's a car coming. We don't want that.
I'll go down the road.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. There she goes. She's off, guys. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like knowing that that accessory fits the Mooncool, make a comment about it down below. If you think you're going to go buy one, follow the link. We'd appreciate it. And until the next video, you guys ride responsibly, ride safe. Always having fun. You liked it?
That's a good idea, though.
Yeah, kind of cool.
An older person that
Wants to stay out of the sun a little bit. They messed up a little bit. It's a little too high. I'm going to modify it and drop it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Because even at 6'1", I've got about 18 inches between, when I'm sitting on it, and that's just a little too high.
Hi, what'd you think?
I think it's kind of cool for older than me.
Older than me. Listen to you. There's a lot of people in denial about, oh, I don't need a trike yet. So I'm trying to teach people, you don't have to be senior. You don't have to be broken. You can still enjoy a trike because it's just fun to ride.
In my opinion.
Can I get it on camera?
in my opinion, that something like that, the chances of falling and hurting yourself is a lot less. And when you get older, you don't mend as quick.
That's right.
And if you break your arm or something like that,
yeah,
you're not doing anything for months.
That's right. That's right. And a lot of people do like this because of the balance issue that they're having. They can't ride a two-wheeler anymore.
Yeah.
So they go to that. But because of that, there's this idea out there that it's only for seniors. But young people enjoy riding trikes.
I like that. It's got a cooler. You can fill it with beer.
Heck yeah. All right. Hey, let's go.